In today's video, we'll be exploring 3 of the best SMS Messenger apps for Android. If you're looking to enhance your texting experience with user-friendly features and fun customization options, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into the details of each app and help you find the perfect one for your needs. Simple SMS Messenger. Simple SMS Messenger is a user-friendly application designed for those who prefer a straightforward and efficient messaging experience. This app offers a clean interface that makes it easy to send and receive text messages. With features like group messaging, SMS scheduling, and message organization, it provides essential functionalities without unnecessary complexity. Users can also customize notification settings and enjoy a smooth user experience. Simple SMS Messenger is perfect for anyone looking for a no-frills messaging app. Mood SMS Messages app. Mood SMS is an innovative messaging application that adds a touch of creativity to text messaging. It features a wide variety of customizable themes and fonts, allowing users to personalize their texting experience according to their mood. Mood SMS supports emojis, stickers, and multimedia messages, making conversations more expressive and fun. Additionally, it includes features like SMS blocking and scheduling, ensuring that users can manage their messages effectively while enjoying a vibrant interface. Messenger Color SMS. Messenger Color SMS is a colorful and dynamic messaging app that emphasizes personalization and user engagement. This application offers a variety of themes, text colors, and background options, enabling users to customize their messaging interface extensively. The app supports rich media sharing, group chats, and quick replies, making it convenient for modern communication. With its vibrant design, Messenger Color SMS appeals to users who want their messaging experience to be lively and visually appealing. Thanks for watching our video on the best SMS Messenger apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you find the ideal app to elevate your messaging experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.